Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this RayBan model Aviator RB3025 in color code 122/W3. It's a matte gold color frame. The temples have a transparent finish at the tip of the temples, as well for this side. This is the back of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. The lenses are a polarized brown silver mirror fashion aviator shape. They are RXable. Up here we have the RayBan gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and RayBan booklets.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.